Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Razorpay payment status with Webhook retries detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Razorpay payment status using webhooks, start by logging into your Razorpay dashboard. Navigate to the settings section. Click on webhooks to create a new webhook. Enter the URL of your server where you want to receive the webhook notifications. Next, set up your server to listen for incoming webhook requests. Ensure your server can handle post requests sent by Razorpay. When a payment occurs, Razorpay will send a webhook payload to your specified URL. The payload includes important information, such as the payment ID and status. On your server, implement logic to validate the webhook signature. Retrieve the signature from the request headers. Generate a hash using your webhook secret and the payload. Compare the generated hash with the signature from the request. If they match, proceed to process the payment status. If they do not match, log the discrepancy and take necessary action. Once validated, check the payment status within the payload. Update your system based on the payment status, such as marking an order as paid. Implement retries for failed webhook notifications in your application logic. Store the failed notifications for a limited period, allowing for retries. Set up a worker process to periodically resend the failed notifications to Razorpay. Ensure your system can handle duplicate notifications gracefully. Regularly monitor your logs for any issues related to webhook processing. Testing your webhook is crucial to ensure everything works correctly. Use Razorpay's testing environment to simulate payment events. Review the responses from your server during these tests. Make adjustments as needed based on the test outcomes. Once successful, your setup will be ready for live transactions. You are now equipped to verify Razorpay payment statuses effectively using webhooks and handle any retries appropriately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.